Hey everybody, it's Stephen F with another DIY Monday video. No, it's not, excuse me, it's not Monday, but I'm here on the DIY Monday channel to tell you what happened. On Wednesday, uh, March 9th, I slipped and fell and fractured my ankle. I am now on a traction device and I won't be doing any DIY Monday videos until I get out of the cast. I have one video to post and I'll probably post it on Saturday after this video is up to let everybody know what happened and why I wasn't posting any videos. I have the one video that what I did. The basement is finished. If I can get my daughter to just scan the basement and stuff like that, on my wife, to show you what's done. Once I get back on my feet, I'll totally clean up that mess downstairs. My wife had help cleaning the house and everything else since I got hurt, so I'm not posting any videos. And once I get back on my feet, it should probably be in April where I'll be able to maybe work in the back room and do some DIY projects. I will do them. But everything's virtually put on hold because I am now in a traction sling. As you can see right here, this is my leg. This device right here is my leg. And I won't be doing any videos soon, so I just want to tell everybody to comment on my videos, like my videos, let me know what you think of my videos. I will be posting that one video tomorrow. And I just wanted to put this out here. Everybody's asleep right now. I can't sleep because I've been sleeping on and off all day. And I'm not tired, so I figured I'd put this video out here for you to let you know what's going on. I will be doing a daily live stream, maybe after 12 at night. Sometimes at 10. I'm going to try to do one around 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow night. And I hope you watch it, show your support, asking for your prayers. I heal soon than later, and I can get back on my feet as soon as possible. Thank you once again. Like the video, comment on the video, share the video, ding that bell so you get notified when I do post the video. And I'll be doing more and more DIY videos around the house and DIY Mondays in the summer months. It probably won't be until May or June that I'm able to walk or be more mobile. Then I will come back. So I appreciate you being here for me. I appreciate everybody who's praying for me and those people that can. And I will be doing Joseph's Tropical Tanks Fish Tank Challenge, which I already recorded the video and I'll be sending it to him. Till then, remember, like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell, let me know what you think, share the video, and comment down below. Keep doing it. If you think you can do a project, try it. If not, get help, do it. That's the best thing to accomplish something that you can do. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, Stephen F. signing off. Bye for now. Don't forget to go to Pond the Garden channel. You'll see what happened. I hope to be posting a video showing you what I did when I slipped and fell. Till then, Stephen F. signing off. Bye for now.